Hello, welcome to the first day of Selenium's course. First, I'm going to explain you what's the motive of this course and what will you be able to achieve after the course. So basically, I have an Excel file opened in front of me, right? So I'll be teaching you Selenium in such a manner that you will be able to control all your test cases through this Excel file, right? For example, I have mentioned three columns over here: test case ID, description, and run mode. And out here I've got three test cases: create sample users, login test, and create ticket test. And the run mode for each test is set to yes or no. Fine. This symbolizes that whether I have to run this test or not. Fine. So if this is in test cases sheet down below, if I go to my test steps sheet, then corresponding to each test step I have a detailed description of my test case. Fine. So what corresponding to suppose I take up example of create sample users test, the description says open the page first, then click on the sample users button, then click on some link, and then check the database by executing some query. Fine. So I have a keyword corresponding to each of the step, and this is a generic keyword. Okay, and this keyword click button means that click on a button and the button with XPath key as this. Okay, and this is the checkpoint column, which actually draws the checkpoint, which tells QTP which checkpoint to execute. For example, if I open a page and I want to know whether a page has opened or not, then I can check the title of the page and check whether it's opening or not. Or I can check some text on the page by specifying the XPath of the text. And in the end I have the results column, which specifies whether this step has passed or failed. If I click on this link, then I'll get the screenshot of the page. It's not opening in IC. This is the screenshot of the page. So each step has a screenshot associated with it, which comes in the result. Now for example, the test case 2 was not executed. It has got the run mode no, and I never executed this test step. Okay, and in the test step 3, the test case 3, create ticket test, it's got a lot of test steps in it, and I've executed it 2 times. See, I've executed it 2 times, iteration 1 and iteration 2, and I've executed it 2 times with separate test data, and I'm getting pass or fail inside the result column. Now this sheet is for you as a tester. Along with it, I have also generated a new report, which is for sending it to the management. I'll open the result HTML page over here. So this is my automation test results, and it tells me that one of my test cases it failed, and the pass percentage was 80%, and each test case has got a detailed report, whether my page got opened or not, or whether I clicked on a button successfully or not, or whether my check database query ran successfully or not. So this is the kind of report you can generate. See, so this is what you can expect after this course.